understand what I'm saying? And it hurts. It hurts, and it bothers me, not hurts. It bothers me that I have to sidestep my youth to stand up and do some shit that somebody else supposed to be doing.
Right.
You understand what I'm saying? There's too many men out here for me to be doing it. Because it ain't my turn yet. I'm supposed to be following behind him getting the knowledge. I don't even got a chance to get the fucking knowledge. I can't go to college. There's too much problems out here. I don't got the money. Nobody do. You understand what I'm saying? So what I'm saying is it's not as easy as we mapping it out to be. And we gotta stay real. We gotta stay real. Before we can be New African, we gotta be black first.
Right.
You understand? We gotta get our brothers from the street like Harriet Tubman did. Why can't we look at that and see exactly what she was doing? Like Malcolm did. The real Malcolm. Before the Nation of Islam. You gotta remember this was a pimp. You know what I'm saying? The pusher and all that. We forgot about all of that. And our strive to be enlightened, we forgot about all our brothers in the street.
Right.
About all our dope dealers, our pushers and our pimps.
Right.
And that's who's teaching the new generation.
That's right.
Because y'all not doing it.
I really want to know, man, how that man really got murdered, or was it a setup, or what, man?
Man, Suge Knight murked his ass, that's what happened.
Suge, man, I don't know, man. You thought thinking about Illuminati, nigga, that shit, man. When the money get involved and your fame, that shit taking over involved.
Well, you gotta think about it though. Pac was really on this shit though. Like, he about to let some information out. Like, he was getting to that point.
Yeah, you right.
Man, that Illuminati shit ain't real, man. Y'all need to stop listening
Man,
to
you
this
crazy.
shit.
That shit dead serious involved. You gonna see Pac.
You better wake up.
Wake up like a motherfucker.
Abstract entertainment, nigga. KM, what it do, homie? Hard the motherfucker. Hey. You know we never eating again goals comes, right? Right. Jimmy J.R. I thought I had friends, but I ain't got none. Fuck all y'all. I hit them up like Pac in the Outlaws. Fuck the Illuminati. I'm an outlaw. They using money and religion to control y'all. Why y'all believing in some shit somebody told y'all? I might sacrifice my life just to show y'all. Don't believe what you can't see. No. And nigga, you can be what you wanna be. Your creator made you, not the white man. Now use your common sense, don't blame it on a white man. The game cold, but it's fair. Ain't too many real niggas left. They killed Malcolm X, they killed Dr. King. Like damn, they killed the motherfucker for having a dream. It's not a white and black, it's a rich and poor thing. Like 3 the hard way, had a rich and poor dream. I'm a N-I-G-G-A. They think we silver lean and smoke weed all day, but we ain't eating it 'cause we black, baby. Gotta get your money right, but first set some goals in your life. Cause nigga, I'm a N-I-G-G-A. They think we silver lean and smoke weed all day, but we ain't eating it 'cause we black, baby. Gotta get your money right, but first set some goals in your life. Right. And you see they killed Kennedy. These young niggas don't know their history. Yeah, you a dope boy, but you dumb as hell. And I may rob your ass before you go to jail. I'm confused like damn. If Jesus died for my sins, how I'ma go to hell? I'm just saying though, and I'm dead ass serious. I ain't playing, ho. Fuck the fame, just do it for your fam though. The IRS try to put you in the jam though. Baby mama put you on child support. Getting drunk, getting high off the child support. These bitches ain't shit. They'll suck a nigga dick for a new outfit. Then get on Facebook, say they want relationship. I just wanna fuck, not make this no relationship. I'm a N-I-G-G-A. They think we silver lean and smoke weed all day, but we ain't eating it 'cause we black, baby. Gotta get your money right, but first set some goals in your life. Cause nigga, I'm a N-I-G-G-A. They think we silver lean and smoke weed all day, but we ain't eating it 'cause we black, baby. Gotta get your money right, but first set some goals in your life. Right.